So we're in a galaxy far away, fictitious galaxy. You're a chemist. You're performing the Millikan's oil drop experiment, which led to the discovery of the charge on the electron in combination with Thomson's charge to mass ratio that J.J. Thomson discovered. We're going to use 4 data points, and we're going to try to calculate the charge of an electron in this fictitious unit, Zirkombs. Right now, you would probably want to do more than 4 trials and get more than 4 data points, but this is just a sample problem. The way to do this is we're going to find the smallest value, which is the one down there, and this is what Millikan did. He found the smallest value and see if it went into all the other ones, and then he can conclude, well, that must be the charge, the fundamental charge. Let's see if it goes into all the other ones. Let's switch up the colors. All right, let's see if it goes into that number. Put the bigger number on the top, times 10 to the negative 12, divided by the smaller number, times negative 13, 4 times. All right, so 4 times. All right, now let's see if it goes into this second number, 7.68 times 10 to the negative 12 divided by 6.4 times 10 to the negative 13. Another pretty number, 12 times. Finally, let's see if it will go into that third number. I wonder if it'll go into that third number. It's going into all of them. 3.84 times 10 to the negative 12 divided by 6.4 times 10 to the negative 13. You can do this in your head. 6 goes into 38 6 times. 6 times. Because all of these go into them in multiples of whole numbers, we can conclude one of two things. Either the charge of an electron is equal to that smallest value, which is 6.40 times 10 to the negative 13 Zirkombs, or it must be an integer fraction of that number. For example, it could be like half of that number, and therefore it's also going to go into all of these other numbers fully. All right, or it could be like a quarter of that number, and so on, for example. So it could be this number, or it could be some integer fraction of that number.